Welcome to Question Vault. In this video, we bring you the most repeated and high probability questions from BMP 002, Operations Management. These questions have been carefully selected from the past 5 years of Ignou exams. Watch carefully, and for complete answers with explanations, download the PDF notes available in the description. Question 1. Discuss the role of production and operations management in achieving organizational objectives. This is a foundation question. It has appeared in 2019, 2021, and again in 2023. The examiners want to check your understanding of how operations link to strategy. When answering, start with a definition. Then explain how operations contribute to efficiency, cost control, and customer satisfaction. Question 2. Explain the role of an operations manager in manufacturing and service industries. This question checks your understanding of the operations manager's duties. It repeats frequently, especially in December sessions. You should highlight responsibilities like planning, controlling, scheduling, and ensuring productivity, while showing differences between manufacturing and service sectors. Question 3. Explain different types of production processes with examples. Another popular question, seen in both 2020 and 2022 papers. You need to cover job production, batch production, mass production, and continuous production, supported with examples like bakeries, automobile plants, or textile units. Question 4. Compare product layout and process layout, highlighting their advantages and limitations. This is a highly repeated comparative question. Appears almost every second year. Focus on definition, key differences, and write advantages and limitations in a neat table form for best marks. Question 5. Explain the concept of demand forecasting and its significance in operations management. A classic theory question that repeats every year in some form. You must explain what forecasting is, why it is important, and how it helps in planning resources and reducing uncertainty. Question 6. Forecast demand using a 3-period moving average. Numerical question alert, repeated almost every alternate year. The examiner loves moving average problems. Always remember the formula, take the last 3 demand figures, average them, and forecast for the next period. Question 7. Explain material requirements planning, MRP. Distinguish between MRP1 and MRP2. This question has appeared several times across both June and December sessions. You should explain the logic of MRP, how it schedules materials, and clearly differentiate between MRP1 and the extended version MRP2, which includes capacity planning. Question 8. Explain economic order quantity, EOQ, and calculate it. EOQ is one of the most repeated numerical questions in this subject. It never fails to appear. Learn the formula well. Square root of 2ds over h. Practice numerical problems to be confident. Question 9. Explain total quality management, TQM, and discuss contributions of Deming and Duran. A very frequent theory question, seen at least 4 times in the last 5 years. The examiner wants you to connect TQM principles with the contributions of Deming's 14 points and Duran's quality trilogy. Question 10. Explain just-in-time, JIT, production system. Differentiate between push and pull production systems. This is another must-study topic. It often appears in December sessions. Define JIT, explain its advantages, and then contrast push versus pull systems with examples for clarity. Question 11. Explain aggregate production planning, APP, and discuss strategies. This question appears occasionally, but when it comes, it carries weight. Cover the 3 strategies: chase demand, level production, and hybrid. A small example will make your answer stronger. Question 12. Write short notes on capacity planning, facility location factors, master production schedule, MPS, Kanban system, value engineering, Six Sigma, supply chain integration. In operations management, some key short note areas are frequently repeated in exams. Capacity planning deals with determining the production capacity needed to meet demand efficiently. Facility location factors focus on choosing the best place for operations considering cost, market access, resources, and logistics. The Master Production Schedule, MPS, is a detailed plan showing what to produce, in what quantity, and when, aligning production with demand. The Kanban system is a lean tool that uses visual signals to control production and inventory flow. Value engineering is a systematic approach to improve the value of a product by optimizing cost without compromising quality. Six Sigma emphasizes process improvement and defect reduction through a structured, data-driven methodology. Finally, supply chain integration ensures smooth coordination among suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors for efficiency and customer satisfaction. These short notes may appear in exams as standalone or grouped questions, making them high value for quick revision.
All these repeated questions with detailed professor-style notes are available in the PDF link in the description. Use it for quick revision and last-minute preparation. Stay focused, study smart, and remember, repeated questions are your shortcut to exam success. For more repeated question analysis and updates, don't forget to subscribe to Question Vault. See you in the next session.